service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Union County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, west central Polk County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, south central Williamson County, Illinois, southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, northwestern
northeastern Mississippi County, Missouri. Missouri, until
6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, northwestern Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, northeastern Mississippi County.
radar indicated threat. The following
45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
locations impacted include Charleston, Lake of Egypt area, Mound City, Pulaski, Mounds, Plana, Wilson City, Goreville, Joppa.
The following impacts are expected.
New Columbia, Simpson, La Center, Belmont, Buncombe, Barlow, and Wycliffe. This includes the following
Include Charleston, Lake of Egypt area, Mound City, Pulaski, Mounds, Plana, Wilson City, Goreville, Joppa, Olin, Karnak.
41 and 43. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 12 and 21. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, Union, and Williamson, and the following counties.
Warning has been issued until 6:40.
Has issued tornado watch number 90
In Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and the following counties. In Illinois, Alexander, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, Union, and Williamson, and the following counties.